Hi friends, Miss Ellie here. Today we are going to make turkey cookies. I have a little turkey friend right here. See my turkey in my kitchen? Give thanks. This is a tasty turkey. Ready to make it? Let's go.
Look at those jumping turkeys! Five little turkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more turkeys jumping on the bed. Four little turkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped its head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more turkeys jumping on the bed.
5 fat turkeys are we. We sat all night in a tree. When the cook came around, we were not to be found, and that's why we're here, you see.
Oh, I just wish this cute picture frame. I was about to do this in my picture, but I couldn't do it. He said put your hands down.
Aren't you excited? That's amazing.
Here I am with my friends. Say hi, friends. What sound does the turkey make? We're going to need some melted chocolate, some Oreos from some chocolate morsels. This is what they look like. We're going to need some candy corn, about 5-6 pieces each. I'm using a Nutter Butter. You can use mini Oreos because that'll give you the body, the tail, a little head, and the face. Let's get making. Okay, so first, each child will need a Oreo. So grab an Oreo.
One Oreo for me. I might eat.
All right. Then you need 5 candy corns. Count.
1, 3, 4, 5.
1,
Three, 4. One more. 5.
nice. That's going to be for the tail. Now take one more. And that's going to be for the
Beak.
very good. The beak. So now we're going to use the melted chocolate as glue for the body. But first, we're going to open our Oreos. Can you twist the top off? Twist. Oh, look at that. Lay it down. And on the white part, you're going to put the
Candy corn.
candy corn.
I said candy
White
corn.
part down. Oh, leave that one down. Man down. Man down. Give it. Thank
Can
you.
I get another candy?
Yes, you can. That's why there's extras right there.
I am.
Once you have all of your tail feathers in place, go ahead and cover it up. Close up the cookie. And then you're going to take a little dot of glue, which is the chocolate, and put it in the center. Oh, I forgot to tell you to take your Nutter Butter cookie. Oh, take one Nutter Butter.
Nutter Butter.
Put it on top. Here, Nova.
Oh, it's not much glue.
So then put some more. I think you might need a little bit more, Sophia.
I need more.
Not yet. Oh, you should be good. You have a handy dandy helper. Not there, Sophia. On the back. All right. Now you're going to take. I gave you 2 plastic knives. Can you take the No, not that one. There's a blue and a red knife.
Oops, I used
Get the extra candy corn. Sophia's moving ahead. She already has her eyes on. And then you got to cut your beak. Try to leave some orange on it, and only orange and white. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up.
Trying to cut the white.
Here. So you have some orange. You push down.
Like this? Ouch. Ooh, I
So-
can't eat that.
You're going to take that part for the beak. You're not going to eat that part. So then you take some chocolate and you glue it on.
Take some chocolate.
Take some chocolate and glue it on. Go ahead, Nova. Glue on your beak.
To do my eyeballs.
Glue on your beak first. Oh, not Evie. We can't stick Evie on.
Now, I'm kidding. Then I can do it on.
Can you finish? Your turkey needs pupils.
Here, Nova.
It looks creepy. Your turkey needs eyeballs. Put the chocolate in the middle of your eye.
Okay.
A little dot. A little tiny
I
dot.
want mine to be chocolate.
Oh, you broke your turkey. Quick. You might need to add more chocolate. Do some turkey surgery.
Turkey! I need some surgery.
All right, Nova, put on your eyeballs.
I need some.
You need some glue.
What is this
Go
going to
ahead.
be for?
Oh, that's leftover, so eat it.
Ooh, no, I'm really in love with candy corn.
All right, Nova, you got to put on your eyeballs.
Eyeball.
That looks like Evie's hands. We're helping.
Look at my turkey.
Sometimes happy helpers get a little too happy. Go ahead, Nova.
Turkey. Look at my turkey.
Put it on. Oh, nice. Oh, you gave it pupils. And give it. Oh, look at you.
Okay.
1, 2. And here, friends, we have our tiny turkeys. Say bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye.
Happy gobble gobble.